Welcome back to our fifth wheel renovation series. We are waiting on countertops for the kitchen, so we're at a little bit of a standstill there as far as the rest of that reno goes. So we're gonna move on to Avery's room. This is our bunk room in the fifth wheel, and it is gonna be Avery's very first room ever, so I'm really excited to make this a special space for her. The shiplap is installed, the walls are sanded, cleaned, I've taped everything off, which can only mean one thing: it is time to paint. So let's get painting in 3, 2, 1. Painting in here is done. So I ended up doing 2 coats of primer, 1 coat of paint, except for over here on this closet section, I ended up doing 2 coats of paint just because I wanted to make sure it was nice and covered. I obviously left that back section unpainted, but I'm planning on doing a wallpaper there to match the wallpaper we're gonna put up on the shiplap. I love how it looks in here. I cannot wait to get that wallpaper up. I'm still waiting for it to be delivered, and then we can get the baseboards and the trim pieces all up. We're still waiting on countertops, but they're supposed to be here tomorrow, so I'm so excited. But I thought while we wait, I would show you some of the hardware pieces that we got in. So I got these wall sconces, and they're gonna go back here once the backsplash is installed, and I'll hold them up and let you guys see what it looks like. We also got in some of our handles for the cabinets. So these are going to go right here. I tried to pick a brass color that would match the faucet and the lights that I picked out, and then went with a really simple modern style.
The countertops just got here, so we're gonna go ahead and get them set in place. We ended up going with a matte white laminate made by Formica, and I really like how they turned out. I think they're gonna look super good once we get all the rest of it installed. Next up, I'm gonna be working on the backsplash and getting the microwave put in place. All right, the backsplash is going up. You can see here, we're using Power Grab construction adhesive and just gluing it up on the wall.
Mike has been hard at work over in this kitchen, painting, putting backsplash up, as we saw in the previous clips, and we are on the final stretch here. He's working on the microwave. I'm gonna flip the camera around and give you guys a better view of what this is looking like. Welcome to my favorite part of renovation. All of the design pieces start coming together, and you can actually see the vision come to life. So you can see on the island, we have the sink and the faucet in place. Love those. We still have to put the beadboard on down there. And then look at that backsplash. It looks so good, painted in the same paint color that we put on the walls, which is the Sherwin-Williams Alabaster. We did a little bit higher gloss since we need it to be easy to wipe down. And then we have the sconces up. I think those look really great. And we're gonna put the open shelf right here. And now he's working on the microwave. I love how all of this is coming together. Obviously, it's still a little bit of a work site here, but you can really see it start taking shape. That's gonna wrap it up for this week's video. Next week we'll have a finished kitchen and I cannot wait to share it with you. The pantry door will be on, the beadboard will be in place, and it's going to look so good. Thanks so much for watching and following along with our journey.